Hi, today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do water slides on just a painted surface. I printed out a page of water slides. And I sprayed it 3 times with the clear spray sealer. It's a Rust-Oleum 2X. There's quite a few different sealers you can use. I like the Rust-Oleum 2X. It works pretty good for me. If you have one you like that you use, by all means use the one you like. So this is just a plain painted surface. It's when you're doing water slides, you want to make sure you have a glossy finish. So you can use a glossy paint and you're fine. You don't have to do an epoxy coat. As long as it's smooth and clear and glossy, you're okay. I'm going to get my scissors real quick. So what I do is I sprayed it, I let it dry, and now I'm going to cut out the ones I'm going to use for this cup. This water slide I'm using is clear water slide, so it doesn't have, it has to be on a white or a light background. It's always good if you have a colored background that's like a light blue or something like that, that's not too dark, you can still use clear. But I like to double up my water slides. If it looks too light, if you have a background, go ahead and put 2 of the same water slide on it. I don't use warm water, I use regular tap water. I don't worry about the temperature of the water. It's up to you. You can do warm. I just don't. I used to, but I stopped using it and it seems to be fine. So this, the ones I'm doing today are going to be these butterflies and this on both sides of the cup. And then a couple of these with the yellow brown-eyed Susan. So this, since it's a clear, you don't have to cut so close to your print. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So you just cut pretty much right up to your print. You don't have to cut exact because it's clear. The rest of it's not going to show. If you have a clear glossy finish, it's not going to show the edge. That's what a lot of people say, to go ahead and use do your epoxy coat and then do your water slide. But if you have a gloss finish on your cup, the clear tape will not show, the clear water slide will not show the edges. You can just put it right on your cup. So I'm cutting that, and then I'm going to cut these 2 out. It's 100 degrees. It says it feels like 100 degrees outside. Guys, if you are enjoying my tutorials, go ahead and like my page and also click subscribe. Let me close my door because my cat's crying. You need to go away, Dexter. Click subscribe on my channel, and that way I can get to where I do live tutorials. Right now they won't let me since I don't have 1,000. You have to have 1,000 subscribers in order to do live, and I don't. So if you would be so kind as to click my subscribe on my channel, and you can get updates of the ones that I'm coming next. I'm doing a B cup, so I do have these, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today. I'm going to cut these 2 butterflies out. I also have a Facebook page. It's the same name as this channel, Silly Designs. My Facebook page is Designs Tumblers, and I have a group also, Silly Designs. If you're interested and you want to join, just go ahead and click on Facebook and search. I will put the link in the comments after I go back to edit this video. If you're interested in my page. I also do lives on there at night. I do lives on my page on Facebook, which is kind of cool because you have more interaction. So the same thing goes with this. You're just going to put it in a bowl of water. I have just a little flat bowl here. And I'm going to stick it in the bowl, and I'm going to look at my cup and see where I want it. Those are going to go on in the same opposite sides of each other. You want to make sure that you have your water on, that you have your cup wet so it can receive the water slide and you can slide it easier. And always have a little towel with you because you don't want to get everything wet. It's always good to get extra towels, have them ready to put your stuff on with. So you just leave it in there. Usually 18 to 20 seconds. You check it, see if it's moving. If it moves, go ahead and take it out. Put it on your cup. The easiest way to do it is just put it there, bring the backing off, and slide the backing off. Move it around where you feel like it's not, where you feel like you have it where you want it. And I always use these silicone little brushes to squeeze out the excess water. They work really good. This is a silicone spatula that I just cut and made it a little bit smaller. You can get these at the dollar store. Super easy. I'm going to do this on both sides. It's going to have the monogram here, and the other side's going to have a little saying for. So now I'm going to do the other one. See how easy that was? Very simple, very simple. And if you have a shiny glossy surface, you're not going to see the edges of your water slide. One thing that you do also is you blot it. When you blot straight down. Don't move it. Just blot straight down. I'm just drying around the cup. I'm going to do this side. This is going to go right on. Let me turn it around so you guys can see it. Just bring this over, slide the backing off, put it right on there. I'm just going to make sure I have it in the exact spot as the other one. Squeeze it out. So remember, this is on a painted surface. It doesn't have glitter. It doesn't have epoxy. And it doesn't show because I used glossy white paint. So there's that. This right here, I'm going to have to sand it because it got a little bit of a thing. But you see how it looks really good, really nice and smooth. Once you, I'm just making sure this is straight. Once you squeeze this out, you don't have any more play. Like the water will not, you can't move it anymore. So I got the both sides done. And now I'm going to do my butterfly with the flower down here at the bottom. Let's put that in. Get this wet. You always want to make sure you have it at the right spot. My cat is annoying. If you have any questions, ask, and I'll come back and answer after, when I get the notification. Remember, click subscribe and like my channel so I can get more subscribers, and I can be able to do lives. I did seal this 3 times. When you seal it, you have a lot more room to play with it. You can move it around more. It's not going to bunch up on you. It's going to be easier to work with. I do have a little spot that folded, but I'm just taking my little tool, my weeding tool, and turning it back. If you seal it well, you can move it around good. So this had a little bit of a blue background, but that's okay. And it's just up to you how you want your flowers to look. Then this one is going to go right here. My customer wants her monogram here and then a little saying over here on this side about a garden. So it's going to look pretty. It's like a Bible verse, I think. I gotta double check it. You just leave it a few seconds. When you feel it starting to move, go ahead and get it out, put it on, and slide it. Slide the white paper backing off. Some people will do this in mirror image. So then the paper backing's on top and you just slide it off the top, which makes it easy. You can do that too. You still have to seal it, but it does work better that way for some people. While I'm squeegeeing this out, I'm going to go ahead and do that other one. So this cup is pretty much ready. I'm just going to finish that one and we'll be done. Oh, I was going to show you, I printed this one twice because I wanted to show you how I do a double up on it. But let me get that butterfly. The butterfly, that one's there. And the butterfly, the pink butterfly is going to go up here. So it doesn't take maybe 15 to 8 to 20 seconds in the water. I'm going to go ahead and wet this. And put my butterfly on. So you just get it and take the back off. This is a very vibrant, pretty color. You just slide this back off once you get it. Once you get it out of the water, and put it on wherever you want it. So I'm just squeegeeing out the water. I'm going to take a towel. You can wet your towel to have it a little bit wet if you want. So when you're squeegeeing, you don't have a dry towel on there, and a lot of times that helps you not tear your water slide. But that was very simple to do, and it is a good, easy, quick thing. You just put it on, take it out. On this side, I'm going to have a little saying, a Bible verse going all the way down, so I didn't put everything there. Here is going to have the monogram, And I'm going to glitter this top part right here. I'm going to tape this off once I get my, and then I'm going to glitter. That's why I'm not worried about my drip I have right here. This part's going to be glittered. So that is a quick tutorial on how to do water slide on painted surface. Now you just let it dry and you're fine. Thanks for watching.